Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm heating up the Blackstone. We're gonna do a cook on here. We're gonna do something that I've seen the Wall twins did. I've seen other people. I've looked at other videos, and what I'm gonna do tonight is I've been waiting to do this because I needed some leftovers. I wasn't gonna make this just for the tacos. So tonight I'm gonna make spaghetti tacos on the Blackstone Griddle. When I watched the Wall twins do theirs, what they did is they took cheese and fried cheese for their shells. All the other videos that I've seen, people are using those pre-made shells. I think Old El Paso sells them. I call them Taco Bell shells. I can't stand them. They're pre-formed. I know a lot of people love them. So if you love them, I'm sorry, I just don't like them. You take a bite, they fall apart, they crack, all your stuff falls out. So I like frying up or making my own hard shell tacos, so I'm going to use some corn tortillas tonight. I'm not going to put the spaghetti in first and then fry them like I do with most of my other taco videos and my tacos when I make them. I love them that way, but since it's spaghetti, I'm going to show you how I make the shell. We're going to stuff them. We're going to top them off with some grated Parmesan cheese. Here's my leftover spaghetti from last night. I do have a spaghetti shorts video, 57 seconds. Go check it out. I'm telling you, when I met my wife, she used to make spaghetti, and it was the best spaghetti ever. I mean, I never had spaghetti that tastes so good. All it is Classico spaghetti sauce and Johnsonville hot Italian sausage instead of like hamburger. If you're gonna make a meat sauce, use the hot sausage. It is absolutely amazing in spaghetti. And lately we've been using the thin spaghetti noodles. Anyway, I've got them over here on the Blackstone heating up, so it'll be nice and hot when I put them in the tacos. I'm gonna shut up. Let's get this going. I'm gonna use my Blackstone taco holder once I get these fried up. And then over here, I do have my spaghetti sitting over there, staying nice and warm. Okay. I already added some oil. I don't know if you can tell if it's smoking already or not, but here's how I make my hard shell tacos. I've got the oil on here. And you just want to cook them up. You see them start bubbling in there. You can lift it up so you can get kind of a curve to it. You just want to get them nice and cooked. It does take a little longer if you're going to make several of these. I am making 6 of these tonight. But let me tell you, it's well worth it making your own hard shell tacos over those store-bought ones. Nothing against El Paso. I have used them. I prefer not to use them. You can form them however you want. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit of a browning right there, which is perfect. Okay. And if you can see those brown spots on there, that's the way I like them. Just going to set that in there and they will stay nice and warm. I am going to add some oil. I think I'm going to turn my heat up a tiny bit because they could cook a little faster than that. Okay, now for these, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a little bit of Parmesan in each one first. Just like so. Okay, and here's my spaghetti. It's all nice and warm, as you can see. Get some of that meat. Look at that. That's that hot Italian sausage in there, so we want some meat in our tacos too. So scoop some up. Probably overfill these a little bit. It's all right. Let me see if I can get one filled. There we go, look at that. And of course we got to top them with some cheese, more cheese, right? More Parmesan. Okay, what do you think of that? Spaghetti tacos. That. Don't those look amazing? Alright, I'm gonna have to taste these, see if they're as good as they look. We'll be right back. Okay, and there you have it. Spaghetti tacos, hard shell tortillas, corn tortillas, not fried cheese like the Wall Twins. Brett and Adam, I'm gonna see if you guys were right. Because you know it looks amazing, it smells amazing. Let's just see if it tastes amazing. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Okay. I don't know if you heard that crunch, but that's what a hard shell taco is. Not that Taco Bell shell thing. Taco Bell shell, fall apart. This is actually really, really good. I can't believe it. When I first saw it, I thought, that's crazy. But hey, anything in a tortilla fried up into a taco is always amazing. And this does not disappoint. A little messy. All right, man. Thank you so much for checking this out with me. Hopefully we'll see you on the next video. Stick around, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Hey, leave a comment. I want to know if you were here. Just thumbs up, whatever, emoji, say hi. Just let me know you're here. Leave a comment. Thank you. We'll see you on the next video.